Hey, welcome. So I picked myself up a Torvol X-Blades edition backpack. So, as you can see, it's quite a nice pack, a bit different from the Pro, the standard version, just black and yellow. I was going to go for the cheap one, but I wasn't going to fork out an extra 20 quid to get my straps. So I've been using the rear rack backpack for about a year now. Served me well, but I don't like the shape of it. It's a bit too stubby and fat, but this is going to sit a lot better on your back. You've got a bit more space and a lot more compartments. So let's have a look at it. Both sides have got mesh pockets with adjustable straps for tripods, drinks, whatever. This side has a large zip-up pocket and darts or pleats, whatever you call them, so that'd be like good for props and stuff. This side would probably do for tools. A Velcro attached one, zip up down here, and a couple more smaller zip up ones for bits and bobs. Got a nice carry handle, big old laptop or tablet storage compartment with elasticated pockets here for cables or USB sticks and whatnot. Fully adjustable straps, set how it hangs on your shoulders, high or low depending what you like. Top pocket, that's nice, got a zip up pocket inside, it's padded for your mobile or whatever. These are Velcro covers, old style quads where you would attach your battery with Velcro and maybe a Velcro strap as well. These are to attach on top of that Velcro so it doesn't chowder up your nice straps here. Like the old Pro, the original, adjustable on this end and standard plastic clip, so you don't really need to undo them. Name tag. If you look on the back of this, it says register your bag and they'll send you a custom FPV pilot tag. Bit of a strange one to open up. This one you open on the front, it flips out from the top. So you've got plenty of compartments, they've all got mesh elasticated pockets, you can reconfigure it however you like. Rain cover, branded and stuff. Up here, magnetic pocket for when you're working, take your bits and bobs off, stick them in there, have other spares in here. This side folds out, tools in there, and you've got a big ground sheet that folds out in here, so you can be nice and clean and have a nice work area where you're out in the field. But that's about the size of this backpack. So here in the UK, you pay getting on 150 quid for this. Yeah, it's a lot of money, but you're getting a lot of backpack. The quality on it feels brilliant. So the true litmus will be spending a year with it and how it fares up. But according to the literature, you get 4 quads in it. Tripod, controller, goggles, 15 batteries, 40 props, laptop, drink, everything like that. You're not going to take all that, you're just going to have a couple of quads on the back, really easy to access, flip it open and everything's going to be ready to go. So I've just kitted it out with what was in the other backpack for this time of year. Goggles, X-Lite, Tiny Hawk S, other whoops and indoors. I must have God knows 20 or 30 pairs of props, filling out this pocket, some in there, other bits and bobs in there. That all fits a treat. Lovely. I'm just gonna see what the rain cover looks like on it. Well, call me impressed. That's the rain cover on it. It's completely surrounded all of the bag, and let's have a look. even extend it out with extra. I didn't even need to do it. That had two 5-inch quads on with GoPro 8 mounts on. That's that. What a wicked backpack. If you're in two minds about getting one and you've got the cash, treat yourself and get one. There you go. There's a Torvol Pro Backpack XBlades edition, and I must admit, really happy with it. Right, catch you later.
You Billy, hey!